Microsoft 365 Fundamentals, MS-900 Questions and Answers Set 4. Question 61. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to implement a virtual desktop solution. The solution must be able to provide the ability to share compute resources across multiple users, optimize the user profile management by using FSLogic's container technology, minimize the maintenance effort. You need to recommend a solution. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, Windows 365 Business. Option 2, Windows 365 Enterprise. Option 3, Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop. Option 4, Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine. Correct answers, Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the capabilities of Windows 365 and Azure Virtual Desktop. Azure Virtual Desktop provides the ability to share the desktop compute resources across multiple users, optimizes the management of user profiles by using the FSLogic's container technology, and minimizes the maintenance overhead. Windows 365 Business and Windows 365 Enterprise do not provide the ability to share the desktop compute resources across multiple users. It also uses local profiles, rather than relying on the FSLogic's profile container technology. While it would be possible to use Azure Virtual Machines to share the desktop compute resources across multiple users and optimize the management of user profiles by using the FSLogic's container technology, this would considerably increase the maintenance overhead. Question 62. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to implement a work management solution with the following requirements. Allow employees to organize shared tasks on Kanban boards. Include support for timeline Gantt charts. Integrate with Microsoft Teams and Power BI Desktop. You need to recommend a solution to implement. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, Bookings. Option 2, Planner. Option 3, Microsoft Project. Option 4, To-Do. Correct answers, Microsoft Project. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of a project management solution in Microsoft 365. Project allows users to organize shared tasks on Kanban boards, includes support for timeline Gantt charts, as well as integrates with Microsoft Teams and Power BI Desktop. While Bookings and Project integrate with Teams, they do not support organizing user tasks on a Kanban board or using timeline Gantt charts. To-Do does not allow users to organize shared tasks on Kanban boards. It also does not provide support for timeline Gantt charts. Integration with To-Do is limited to Outlook and Planner. Question 63. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to implement a work management solution with the following requirements. Provides automated email and SMS notifications about upcoming appointments. Supports buffer times that automatically adjust staff schedules to account for activities required to prepare for meetings with customers. Integrates with Outlook. You need to recommend a solution to implement. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, Bookings. Option 2, Planner. Option 3, Microsoft Project. Option 4, To-Do. Correct answers, Bookings. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of a scheduling solution in Microsoft 365. Bookings integrates with Outlook, provides automated email and SMS notifications about upcoming appointments, and supports buffer times that automatically adjust staff schedules to account for activities required to prepare for meetings with customers. Planner and To-Do integrate with Outlook, but they do not provide automated email and SMS notifications about upcoming appointments. Project does not provide automated email and SMS notifications about upcoming appointments and does not support buffer times that automatically adjust staff schedules to account for activities required to prepare for meetings with customers. Question 64. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to improve the process of helping new hires with onboarding. A solution is required to help employees increase their knowledge and expertise from resources available across Microsoft 365. This solution must meet the following requirements. Create pages automatically for each knowledge area. Created pages must contain definitions of the knowledge area and relevant people. Provide the ability for experts to edit and approve pages as required. You need to recommend a solution to implement. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft Viva Engage. Option 2, Microsoft Viva Topics. Option 3, Microsoft OneDrive. Option 4, Microsoft Viva Insights. Correct answers, Microsoft Viva Topics. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Viva Topics. Viva Topics provides employees access to knowledge and expertise from various Microsoft 365 resources. Viva Topics has an AI feature that automatically creates the pages in specific knowledge areas and displays relevant individuals to these areas. It also gives experts within the organization the ability to edit and approve as required. Viva Engage is an enterprise social network that connects leaders, communicators, and employees together to share knowledge. OneDrive is a cloud library for file storage and sharing. Viva Insights gives insights and recommendations to individuals to boost productivity and well-being by suggesting focus times, tasks to be completed, and mindful disconnection from work. Viva Engage, OneDrive, and Viva Insights do not automatically create pages in knowledge areas that contain definitions and relevant people. Question 65. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to mitigate security attacks on data within RAM or CPU caches. You need to recommend a solution. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, encryption at rest. Option 2, hashing. Option 3, enclaves. Option 4, private key. Correct answers, enclaves. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of encryption. Enclaves use cryptography to create a secure lockbox that protects non-persistent data. Encryption at rest protects data stored at persistent storage such as disks and databases. Hashing converts text to an exclusive value with a fixed length. It is used to verify authenticity of files and store passwords. Private key is a component of public key infrastructure, PKI, used together with a public key. It is often used for encryption in transit such as for HTTPS. Question 66. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to perform the following administrative activities. View invoices and past billing statements. Modify the current payment method. Update the email notification for billings to the new manager's email. Which administrative center should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Option 2, Microsoft SharePoint Admin Center. Option 3, Microsoft Exchange Admin Center. Option 4, Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Correct answers, Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Invoices and billing statements can be viewed from Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Modifications to current payment methods and updates to email receipts of bills can be performed from Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Microsoft Teams Admin Center is used to perform Teams administration. Invoices and billing statements cannot be viewed. SharePoint Admin Center is used to perform SharePoint administration. Invoices and billing statements cannot be viewed. Exchange Admin Center is used to perform Exchange Online administration. Question 67. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to provide employee analytics to business leaders. You need to recommend a solution that meets the following requirements. Integrate with Microsoft Teams. Provide insights to business leaders to identify the work patterns of the company's employees. Automatically generate and display employee engagement statistics regarding the number of extra hours employees work each week. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Option 2, Microsoft 365 User Portal. Option 3, Microsoft Viva Manager Insights. Option 4, Microsoft Viva Organizational Insights. Correct answers, Microsoft Viva Organizational Insights. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Viva Organizational Insights analytics capabilities in Microsoft 365. Viva Organizational Insights is intended for business leaders. It integrates with Microsoft Teams, and it does include automatically generated and displayed for engagement statistic regarding the number of hours employees work each week. Microsoft 365 Admin Center provides an administrative interface for management of the company's Microsoft 365 environment. It is not intended for business leaders, it does not integrate with Microsoft Teams, and it does not include automatically generated and displayed engagement statistics regarding the number of hours employees work each week. Microsoft 365 User Portal is intended for end users to access Microsoft 365 apps. It does not integrate with Microsoft Teams, and it does not include automatically generated and displayed engagement statistics regarding the number of employee hours employees work each week. Viva Manager Insights is intended for managers, not business leaders. While it does integrate with Microsoft Teams, it does not include automatically generated and displayed engagement statistics regarding the number of hours employees work each week. Question 68. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to strengthen the protection of Microsoft 365 apps. You need to recommend a solution that includes the following requirements. Additional authentication factors. Evaluate user-based risks. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, Adaptive Access. Option 2, Microsoft Entra ID Conditional Access. Option 3, Internal Microsegmentation. Option 4, Just-in-Time, JIT, Access. Correct answers: Microsoft Entra ID Conditional Access. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the purpose and value for conditional access. Microsoft Entra ID Conditional Access includes support for multi-factor authentication and user-based risk evaluation as part of its gated controls. Adaptive Access is part of Cloud App Security, which does not provide evaluation of user-based risks. Internal microsegmentation is a network-based control mechanism that does not consider user-based risks. Just-in-time, JIT, access is an infrastructure-level protection, which does not consider user-based risks. Question 69. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to use Microsoft 365 products more efficiently. You need to recommend an analytics solution. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, Productivity Score Report. Option 2, Usage Report. Option 3, Endpoint Manager Admin Center. Option 4, Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Correct answers: Productivity Score Report. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the Microsoft 365 Admin Center capabilities. The Productivity Score Report provides specific recommendations that help organizations to use Microsoft 365 products more efficiently. The Usage Report helps understand how people in the organization use Microsoft 365 services. The Endpoint Manager Admin Center offers insights regarding the Endpoint Manager functionality, allowing for identifying status of devices used by people within the organization. The Teams Admin Center offers insights regarding the team's status, including user activity and device usage reports. Usage Report, Endpoint Manager Admin Center, and Teams Admin Center do not provide specific recommendations regarding optimizing the usage of Teams or other Microsoft 365 services. Question 70. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company needs to virtualize applications for users. You need to recommend a solution that provides virtualized desktops for use by employees. Consumption-based pricing. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop. Option 2, Windows 365. Option 3, Microsoft 365. Option 4, Microsoft Azure Bastion. Correct answers: Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of desktop virtualization. Azure Virtual Desktop allows virtualization of apps and desktops, allowing them to be accessible by single or multiple users. Windows 365 is a cloud PC solution accessible by a single user. Microsoft 365 is the evolution of Office 365, including the Office apps and Windows licenses. Azure Bastion is a broker service for accessing VMs hosted in Azure. Azure Virtual Desktop, Microsoft Azure. Question 71. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company plans to arrange a Microsoft Teams meeting for 400-500 employees. You need to specify the maximum number of participants that will be able to call into the meeting from their phones. Which number should you specify? Option 1, 1000. Option 2, 2000. Option 3, 5000. Option 4, 20000. Correct answers, 1000. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of collaboration solutions available when using Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams audio conferencing supports up to 1000 participants. Question 72. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company plans to arrange a conference call that will be attended by 400-500 employees. You need to recommend a solution that meets the following requirements. All employees can attend the meeting. All employees can participate by using moderated Q&A. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, live event. Option 2, meeting. Option 3, webinar. Option 4, Microsoft Stream. Correct answers, live event. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Teams live events. Microsoft Teams live events support a moderated Q&A experience for up to 20000 participants. Microsoft Teams meetings support view-only capabilities for up to 20000 participants and screen sharing for up to 1000 participants, but not a moderated Q&A experience for up to 20000 participants. Microsoft Teams webinars support up to 1000 participants with fully interactive capabilities. Microsoft Stream is used to upload, view, and share videos. Question 73. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company plans to host a Microsoft Teams meeting for 400-500 employees. You need to specify how many employees will be able to use screen sharing in the meeting. Which number should you specify? Option 1, 500. Option 2, 1000. Option 3, 500. Option 4, 5000. Correct answers, 1000. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the meeting collaboration workloads of Teams. The screen sharing capability is supported for up to 1000 participants of a meeting. While meetings can accommodate up to 20000 participants, the remaining participants have view-only capabilities. Question 74. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company plans to host a company-wide online meeting with 8,000 employees. The meeting must allow presenters to share video and screen. Allow the organizer to deactivate video and audio for all attendees. Allow the organizer to moderate questions and answers. Which Microsoft Teams solution should you recommend? Option 1, Teams Private Channel Meeting. Option 2, Teams Meeting. Option 3, Teams Chat Audio Call. Option 4, Teams Live Event. Correct answers, Teams Live Event. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft Teams Live Events. Teams Live Event meets all the requirements as this supports an audience greater than 8,000, the moderation of questions and answers and the deactivation of video and audio calls for all attendees. Teams Private Channel Meeting meets all requirements except the number of attendees, as a Teams Private Channel supports a maximum of 250 users and moderation of questions and answers. Teams Meeting meets all requirements except the number of attendees, as a Teams Chat Video/audio call has a maximum of 20 people and moderation of questions and answers. Teams Chat Audio Call meets all requirements except the number of attendees, as a Teams Chat Video/audio call has a maximum of 20 people and moderation of questions and answers. Question 75. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company plans to provide new feature updates to Microsoft Office applications as soon as possible based on the results of its internal testing. Based on the standard operating procedures of the company, the internal testing takes about 4 months. You need to recommend an update channel for use. The solution must ensure that the updated applications are supported for at least 6 months. Which channel should you recommend? Option 1, Current Channel. Option 2, Monthly Enterprise Channel. Option 3, Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel, Preview. Option 4, Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel. Correct answers: Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel, Preview. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge about Microsoft 365 release channels. Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel, Preview, receives updates every 6 months, 4 months before these are made available to Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel. This allows organizations to perform extensive internal testing before rolling out new features. In addition, the application support is extended to 6 months. Current Channel receives feature updates as soon as they are ready, but application support is limited typically to 1 month. Monthly Enterprise Channel receives updates once a month on a predictable schedule. Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel receives updates every 6 months, 4 months after Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel, Preview. Question 76. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company plans to provide new feature updates to Microsoft Office applications as soon as they are available. You need to recommend an update channel for use. Which channel should you recommend? Option 1, Current Channel, Preview. Option 2, Monthly Enterprise Channel. Option 3, Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel, Preview. Option 4, Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel. Correct answers: Current Channel, Preview. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft 365 release channels. Current Channel, Preview, receives feature updates as soon as they are available. Monthly Enterprise Channel receives updates once a month on a predictable schedule. Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel, Preview, receives updates every 6 months, a few months before these are made available to Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel. This approach is recommended for organizations that want to perform extensive testing internally. Semi-Annual Enterprise Channel receives updates every 6 months, and the updates are extensively tested by Microsoft and many Microsoft customers. This approach is recommended for organizations that seek the first and third-party validation of update stability and reliability. Question 77. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company records a monthly uptime percentage below 95%. Which percentage of service credit can the company receive from Microsoft? Option 1, 0%. Option 2, 25%. Option 3, 50%. Option 4, 100%. Correct answers: 100%. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft 365 Service Level Agreements, SLAs. The percentage credit that a company can receive is based on the monthly uptime percentage. Monthly uptime percentage of. Question 78. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company requires a tool to understand its current security posture. You recommend Microsoft Secure Score. You need to describe its capabilities. Which 3 capabilities should you describe? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Secure Score provides improvement actions on the current security posture. Option 2, the lower the company's secure score is, the better the protection. Option 3, companies can use Secure Score to measure their current security posture across apps, identities, and devices. Option 4, Secure Score provides improvement actions on the current compliance posture. Option 5, Secure Score can be used to set key performance indicators, KPIs, for the company's security posture. Correct answers: Secure Score provides improvement actions on the current security posture. Companies can use Secure Score to measure their current security posture across apps, identities, and devices. Secure Score can be used to set key performance indicators, KPIs, for the company's security posture. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Secure Score. Secure Score is one of the tools in the Microsoft Defender portal. It shows the company's current security posture. The higher the secure score, the better the company's security posture. Question 79. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company requires documentation that confirms Microsoft Cloud Services will protect company data. You need to recommend a tool that provides the documentation. Which tool should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft Secure Score. Option 2, Microsoft Purview. Option 3, Service Trust Portal. Option 4, eDiscovery Solutions. Correct answers, Service Trust Portal. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the Service Trust Portal. The Service Trust Portal is the repository of artifacts documenting how Microsoft Cloud Services protect company data. White papers, certifications, reports, and other documents are available from the portal. Secure Score offers a score along with recommendations to improve a company's security posture. Purview offers means for a company to manage its compliance needs, with tools to handle information governance, information protection, and others. Finally, eDiscovery Solutions are intended to allow searching through application content, being available for Microsoft OneDrive, Teams, SharePoint, and Exchange, among others. Question 80. A company uses Microsoft 365. The company wants protection against insider risks, such as IP theft and data leaks. You need to recommend a service that provides this type of protection. What should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft Purview. Option 2, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Option 3, Microsoft Priva. Option 4, Microsoft Service Trust Portal. Correct answers, Microsoft Purview. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of insider risk management. Microsoft Purview Insider Risk Management uses indicators from Microsoft 365 and third parties to detect potentially risky activity. It uses logs from Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Graph, allowing a company to identify risks and take action to mitigate the risks. Protecting against IP theft requires understanding the content of data stored and how it is shared, which is not offered by Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. The Priva Privacy Risk Management feature can detect overexposed data and data transfers but does not block them. It only notifies users who must decide which action to take themselves. The Service Trust Portal demonstrates how Microsoft Cloud Services protect customers' data. It provides information rather than actual protection against IP theft and data leaks.